So guys, in this video today we are understand a 36 feet by 21, it means 36 feet 3 inch by 21 house plan. Here I'll mention something. It is located in the western region of India in the Saurashtra area, and we are already seeing the architectural intervention on this. So let's get started with that. So guys, as you can see, here is the ground floor and here is the first floor. So let's get started with the ground floor and what is in exactly architectural challenges for us. So as you can see, here is the ground floor. We have two challenges. We have to abstract our architectural thinking thought towards the modernism, and we have to provide three shop, and the one is in another direction, two and which is the another direction with the intersect with the private activities. So let's see what exactly we are doing. See, here is the shop, which is the 10 feet by 9 feet 6 inch. It means horizontally here to here is a 10 feet and here to the here vertical is 19 feet 6 inch. And here is the first one, primary entry, and here is the another secondary entry. Here is the parking wala portion for two-wheeler or one car, but we are providing only for the car. And here is the common toilet, which is the 4 feet 3 inch by 4 feet. It means horizontally here to the here which is the 4 feet 3, and here to the here which is the 4 feet. And this one is the OTS through and through the upper floor level. Here is the staircase goes for the upper floor, and this one is the another two shop, which is the same as in the size and shape. So which is this one shop is the 11 feet 9 inch by 9 feet 6, and then horizontally here to here which is the 11 feet 9, and here to the here vertically 9 feet 6 inch. And here is the provide a shutter, revolving shutter here, and here is the back of the private entry. And we are moved to the first floor level. So let's go for the first floor. This one is the first floor. We are come here, we are stop here, and we are entering. This one is the open balcony space, and this one is here to here which is the overall circulation space. Let's go to check living room. This one is the living room which is the 9 feet 6 inch by 11. It means here to here 9 feet 6, and here to the here which is the 11. Here is the kitchen space which is the same as in a living space. So, and here is the for the puja area, and we are providing the we are bifurcate one space into the two, so that we are providing here brick jali partition. As you can see, this one is the brick jali partition. Here is the balcony space which is the 11 feet 4 inch by 7 feet 9 inch. It means here horizontally here to here 11 4, and here to here vertically 7 feet 9. This one is the master bedroom, and this one is the another one. This bedroom which is the 11 feet 7 by 9 feet 6. It means horizontally here to here 11 7, and here to the here vertically 9 feet 6. This one is the same as in this one. Here is we are provide attached toilet which is a 6 feet 2 inch by 5. It means horizontally here to here which is the 6 feet 2, and here to the here which is the 5, with the including this OTS wala portion. And with the here is we are providing a ventilation for the circulation. So here we are done with this 21 by 36 wala house plan. Let's see with the elevation, front elevation, how we are treat an architectural icon. So let's see with elevation. This is the overall elevation. This one is the elevation. Here is the main entry, which is that I already mentioned in video. Here is the parking wala portion. Here is the rolling shutter, it means shop, and this one is the entry for shop. Here is the balcony, centrally embossed balcony towards the front of direction, and here is the back of the door for the balcony. Here is the we are designed iconic way. So as you can see, here is the darker portion, and this one is the lighter portion, because of area which will be embossed towards the front direction, which is the 9-inch, and this one is the 00. So this is overall slanting wala portion. This one is the windows, we are treating like that, and this one is the staircase cabin. So we are done here. So guys, do you have any kind of requirement, so you can contact us. Just check our description box and contact us through that, and wait for another updated video.